care for animals. Welcome to the Animal Rescue Station. I am the Animal Keeper Kiki. Let's use a drone to find out which animals need our help. Drag the center position and locate the injured animals. A picture is taken once a tiger itchy all over is found. A burned sloth is found. A sick brown bear is found. Choose a truck and pick up the injured animals. Follow the animal icons and you will find the injured animals. Drag the animal onto the truck. Them back to the rescue center for treatments. Let the animals move into the new dormitories. Let's find out which animals also need our help. A zebra with mud all over is found. A hippo in need of water is found. An injured eagle is found. Choose a truck and pick up the injured animals. Follow the animal icons and you will find the injured animals. Drag the animal onto the truck. Take them back to the rescue center for treatments. Let the animals move into the new dormitories. The brown bear had an upset stomach. Please examine it. There is a lot of trash in its stomach. Drag the handle up to pump the gastric juice out. Do not litter, as the animals will mistake trash for food. The brown bear is an omnivore. Please help examine it. It is very healthy now. You've helped an animal again. Let's take it home. The brown bear lives in the forest. Goodbye, brown bear. The forest was on fire and the sloth got burned. First, rinse with water to cool it. Wipe up the pus. Repair potion can help wounds heal better. The sloth has been bandaged. The sloth likes to eat leaves. Please help examine it. It is very healthy now. You've helped an animal again. Let's take it home. The sloth lives in the rainforest. Goodbye, sloth. The tiger got skin disease and felt itchy all over. First, clean the hair of the diseased area. Wipe up the pus. Then give some hair regrowth spray. Great work! The tiger's skin disease is cured. The tiger likes to eat meat. Please help examine it. It is very healthy now. You've helped an animal again. Let's take it home. The tiger lives in the forest. Goodbye, tiger.